Now you are visiting a place with huge historical significance in Indian history that is none other than Gwalior Fort, a formidable hill fortress in Madhya Pradesh, boasts a history spanning over 1,500 years, strategically controlling North India's trade routes, known as the Gibraltar of India for its impregnability. The fort features palaces like Man Mandir with intricate tiles, Gujari Mahal for Queen Marignayani, and ancient Jain caves, witnessing conquests by Hunas, Turks, Afghans, and the British. Key historical periods and rulers. Ancient origins, 7th century onwards, early constructions included Jain cave temples and a massive Adinath idol, with the fort's strategic location crucial for ancient trade routes, Dakshinapeth. Tomar dynasty, 14th–15th century, Raja Man Singh Tomar, reigned 1486 to 1516, significantly expanded the fort, building the Man Mandir Palace and Gujari Mahal for his queen. Mughal era, 16th–18th century, after the Tomars, the fort fell to Ibrahim Lodi, then the Mughals, with Babur praising its beauty but also using it as a political prison. Maratha rule and British protectorate, 18th century 1947. The Maratha Scindias captured the fort, holding it as a vital base until Indian independence, with the British later overseeing it. Architectural highlights. Man Mandir Palace, 1486. Famous for its ornate tile work and hidden prison cells. Gujari Mahal, a palace built by Man Singh Tomar for his wife Marignayani. Mughal Babur called it his pearl. Keep watch on next Subir's Historical Facts documentary.
We are going to Gwalior Fort. People are saying that it is बहुत चढ़ाई है. दम अभी तो शुरू हुआ है. इनको पता नहीं है जाते जाते पूरा आधा जान निकल जाएगा. Oh my God. It will take lot of time to reach there on the top of the fort. Wow. Yeah, dam. It is better to go this side. Oh, it is too hard. Yeah. Oh God. But we have to reach to Gwalior Fort. In उतरते समय, it is very easy. You see how fast they are moving. How fast they are moving. Now you see, they are struggling a lot. I am also struggling a lot. खराई है पूरा खराई. Okay, पूरा खराई. They say people are taking luggage and reaching there. It will be tough for them. Oh God. Around 10 to 15 minutes to reach on the top. Actually, by car is very easy. जितना जल्दी उड़ने का कोशिश करेंगे लोग उतना ही हालत खराब हो जाएगा. It will be very difficult. दम निकल रहे. देखो, some people have taken luggage and going on the top. It will be quite difficult for them. Actually, other route is the by car. By car you can reach, but it is through other gate. This is the walking path. Actually, this path was made for the horses place. राजा लोग हॉर्स में आता था, तो हॉर्स एलिफेंट खाते. अभी तो हॉर्स नहीं है, लेकिन अभी गाय है. ये गाय लोग आते हैं पैदल चल के. अभी हॉर्स चला गया, हाथी भी नहीं है. नो हॉर्स, नो एलिफेंट. चलते चलते घंटा. ये मंदिर है कोर्ट में. That within the campus There is one temple. I think हनुमान जी का टेम्पल है. ये कितना चढ़ाई है देखो. You see the top. And look, people are struggling there. Struggling to climb up. To enter inside the Gwalior Fort. Now I have a glimpse of Gwalior Fort. Beautiful fort. Beautiful fort. Earlier it was decorated with the various colors. Now color has gone. No colors available. Different colors. It was a pride of Gwalior. Okay. This is the beauty of Gwalior. Full of cloud. This is totally fog. Everywhere it is fog. Fort is this side. We have to climb again on the top. It will take much time. Again, we are taking rest. This is a rest period. We are taking rest now. People are resting here. See, people are resting here. We go one step to another. People are resting here. And somebodies are worshipping in the temple. Somebodies are worshipping inside this temple. This is the fort. We'll enter inside this fort, but it will take again this. We have to enter inside this again that door or gate. Now there is no door available, only the gate. After resting here, again people have started walking. This is a resting point. Everywhere people are resting and taking selfie or photograph. This is the Chaturbhuja temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And this is inside this Gwalior Fort campus. Further we will be traveling there to the fort. It is still lot of people are taking rest. First point, second point, third point like that. Now after walking much distance, we are reaching to another gate. This is called Lakshman Gate or Lakshman Door. So here Lakshman Door is 9th century AD. So this is the Lakshman Pal, a Kachwa ruler, before reaching this gateway. Now you see all invaders have destroyed all the sculptures. So foreign invaders destroy all the sculptures. Our lords, they have so much distance we have to cover to reach on the top of the fort. So this is a place through which that the soldiers used to look that any foreign invaders are coming or not. That king's soldiers. So if there is foreign invaders, there is a hole everywhere. So immediately they will fire hot oil. They will pour towards the soldiers' movement, foreign invaders movement. See all these sculptures or statues they have destroyed. I think this is Buddha Murti, Buddha statue. Look, they have destroyed all. They have destroyed all. They have destroyed all foreign invaders. See, this is Lord Shiva. That all everybody has destroyed. foreign invaders, they had destroyed the place. Yes. They don't want our culture, our religions to be flourished. Let us see. We look there, that is a Gwalior city's view. Along with the fort we are climbing up. We can see, look, we can see, we can watch. Or we are walking. Soon we are reaching towards the Gwalior main fort. Very shortly we'll be reaching to the main fort gate. Still, we have walked already 15 to 20 minutes by walk to climb on the top of the Gwalior Fort. This fort was made by so many rulers of Gwalior or Indians. Now we are just nearly to reach to the Gwalior main fort gate. We are just reaching the Gwalior main fort gate. This is after 20 to 30 minutes walk, we are just reached.
The documentary film made for the benefit of historical facts lover. If you like this film, then follow me in Facebook as well as in Instagram as Subir Guha Roy. Also in YouTube as Stay with Subir. Like, share and comments. This is the best channel of the week awarded by the Facebook as well as Instagram. Your love and cooperation is much needed for better making of documentary film. Keep smiling and stay blessed always.